I'm going to show you how to use the Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device. With this device, there are no individual lancets to handle or dispose of, making it much easier to use. First, you will need to load your lancing device. For this, you will need an Accu-Chek FastClix lancet drum. Each drum contains 6 preloaded lancets. So when you load one drum, you're actually loading 6 lancets. Remove the cap from the lancing device. Now insert a new lancet drum, white end first. Push it all the way in. It should fit firmly into place. Remember, do not remove the lancet drum until you have used all 6 lancets. Once you remove it, you cannot put it back in. A lancet drum that has been removed will have a visible red line on the side, as shown here. Now place the cap back on your lancing device. The next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type. By turning the dial on the cap, you can select the depth of the lancet. We recommend that you start with a low depth setting, such as 2. You may need to adjust the depth setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. The Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device works with a one-click action. Simply press the plunger all the way down, like so. This will prick your finger. After each test, you will need to advance to a new lancet. To do this, simply push the white lever back and forth once. The new lancet is now ready to use. You'll notice that the number in the white window has decreased by 1. This tells you the number of lancets that you have remaining. When the number shown is 1, you're using the last lancet. After using it, you'll need to change the lancet drum. Isn't that easy? If you have any questions, just call the free phone Accu-Chek customer care line. You can also visit the Accu-Chek website. Thanks again for choosing the Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device.